A 1.2 meter tall girl spots a balloon moving with a wind in horizontal line at a height of 88.2 meter from the ground. And the angle of elevation of the balloon from the eye of the girl at any instant is 60 degree. After some time, the angle of elevation reduces to 30 degree. Find the distance traveled by the balloon during this interval. So here, let this be balloon at A at any instance here. And the girl who is 1.2 meter tall, FE here, standing here. So angle of elevation from this his eye to the balloon here will be how much? I have marked as 60 degree as per the question. Now after some time the balloon moved in horizontal direction and reaches B. Then the angle of elevation of the same girl eye will be 30 degree. You can see that. They have given that the height of the balloon from the ground is 88.2. So I will subtract 1.2 from it, so that this height here we can see it is marked as BC will be 87 meter. That is 88.2 meter minus 1.2 meter. Now why? Because we will need it for the triangles here. So now what we can do is we can take the bigger triangle BCF and using this 30 degree angle and 87 meter calculate the entire length BC. Right. Similar way, we can take the smaller triangle, that is AGF, taking the angle 60 degree, and since the height will always be the same, this also will be 87 meter here. This will be 87 meter. So I can use this height and the angle as 60 degree. Find the length FG. From the length FC, if I subtract FG, we will get GC, and that is a required question here. So we can get this length here from this part. So let me just mark it here. Okay, we will calculate that. Okay, so we will start writing here. So write in triangle, say BCF. So let's write here BCF, B, C and F. BCF. Now we got that is tan 30 degrees. So I will write here tan 30 degree is equal to BC upon FC. And BC is nothing but 87, so I will write 87 here, and FC is supposed to be calculated, so I will write FC here. Furthermore, we can write tan 30 is 1 upon root 3 is equal to 87 upon FC. So we can write that is FC is equal to 87 root 3. So I'll write it 87 root 3. Let it be the number 1. I'll keep it here. Now from the other triangle, so let us take angle here. Sorry, the triangle AGF. So we'll write in triangle AGF. So let's write with the black as a better one. Fine. AGF. Okay, so we have what? But tan 60 degree is equal to AG. You can see the perpendicular is AG upon FG. AG is again 87 meter. FG is supposed to be calculated here. Tan 60 is root 3 is equal to 87 upon FG. So finally we can say FG is equal to 87 upon root 3. So that's the second one. Now further what we can do is we have to calculate GC. So to calculate GC, what we can do is, we know that FC is equal to FG plus GC. FC we have calculated as 87 root 3. So I will write 87 root 3 is equal to FG is supposed, we already have done here, we got is equal to 87 upon root 3 and plus GC. GC is supposed to be calculated, so I'll write GC here. So furthermore we can write that is GC is equal to 87, will be 87 root 3 minus 87 upon root 3. Take the LCM, or you know how to solve it. So we can say this will become 87 into root 3 into root 3 minus 87, the whole thing upon root 3. And furthermore we can say GC will be equal to 87 is common in both the cases, so I will write 87, and 3 into root 3 is 3 minus 1 upon root 3. So we can write 87 into 2 upon root 3. So rationalize the denominator. So further we can write this is GC. GC. So we can write GC is equal to 87 into 2. 7 2s are 14. 1. 8 2s are 16 plus 1. 17 root 3 upon 3. So can we divide? Yes. 3 5s are 15 and 3 8s are 24. So it will get cancelled here. So that comes finally as GC is equal to 58 root 3, and furthermore if we want we can multiply that 58 into 1.732, so that comes as 100.456, we can say basically 100.5 meter. So that is coming as 100 point approximately 5 meter is the distance, and that is the answer for you. All right, fine.